Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Compass Payroll account. If you're new to the Compass Payroll account and you have created your account but you don't know how you can get logged into your Compass Payroll account, then this video will help you to get logged into your Compass Payroll account. So follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now, before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC and there search for compasspayroll.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you will be landed to its official homepage. Now from here, scroll a bit down. Now, in order to get logged into your Compass Payroll account, you have to tap on Enter Secure Site button under Employer/Employee Login. And there you will directly taken to its login page. Now you have to simply type in your login details like your login ID and your password of your account. Now if in case you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve your password by tapping on Forget Password link. Now once you're done with typing in your credentials, tick this square box. And once you get this tick mark, tap on Login button in order to get logged into your account. Now once you tap on login button, if the credentials you have typed in are correct, then you will be able to get logged into your Compass Payroll account. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can get logged into your Compass Payroll account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.